is Vaishnavi Pelukar, Assistant Professor at Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Badnera, Amravati. Today I am going to discuss here about telethermometer 6 probe. Okay, the name itself indicates that the telethermometer means it is used for measuring the temperature of laboratory animals. And the 6 probe, the 6 probes means here 6 probes are used when for the measurement of 6 different locations of our animals, and this is the probe selector. When we are using that third number probe, then we set it at 3. So this is the main switch on off button, and this is the temperature showing in degree Celsius, and this is for checking our temperature of animal body. So it is mainly used for measuring the temperature of our laboratory animals for study and research in anesthesia, cardiac surgery, then hyperthermia and pyrogen testing. It's having some features such as it provides facility to create different pharmacopoeia protocols like USP, EP, IP, JP, etc. And it also provides facility to set preliminary test and main test for the as per pharmacopoeia mode. It is a highly accurate method and gives reliable results, and it is also gives fast response. There are two modes are used: normal mode and pharmacopoeia mode. There are some telethermometers which are get connected to our PC, and at that particular software, using that software, we can use normal mode and pharmacopoeia mode. Then in normal mode means it is auto or manual process. It having provisions to add experiment name, animal type, animal sex, number of channels, number of readings and reading time. And likewise the pharmacopoeia mode. Pharmacopoeia mode is also gives some provisions such as animal type, experiment name, animal number of channels, then number of animals, number of readings and reading time. So now we see its actual method. In normal method there are two methods are used, that is manual data logging method and auto data logging method. So in normal mode, there on that software we have to first select the experiment mode, then experiment mode such as normal mode, okay, and then select data logging method. Data logging method, that is either auto data logging method or manual data logging method. Then data logging is generated means there is a reading, date, time, temperature logging as per method selected. Then it get view logs and data export. Then logs of experiment done can be seen on that software or a screen. Then it is get experiment, it gives experiment report. Then experiment report are get saved in PDF or Excel format. Then experiment is get completed here. This is the complete process of data logging for normal mode, either manual data logging or auto data logging. And similarly for pharmacopoeia mode data logging, this same method is used, that is select first experimental mode, that is pharmacopoeia mode. Then we have to select or create pharmacopoeia protocols as per experiment to be created or selected. Then it gives preliminary test. In preliminary test there are pre-test results as per selected protocols are given, that is animal grouping. In animal grouping of pre-test is get passed by animal. Then main test. In main test results as per selected protocols are given. Then view logs or data export means logs of experiment are done can be seen. Then it gives experiment report. Experiment report in PDF or Excel format can be saved, and then experiment is completed here. It is the complete process of data logging for pharmacopoeia mode. It's having some features such as data can be exported in PDF or Excel for the further analysis, and also instrument calibration can be done. Thank you.